Chicken afritada ang ulam namin ngayon. Paulam ko kay Sofia. Hindi pa luto. Malapit na. Yun. Ayos. Talaga masarap to. Alas 7 pa lang ng umaga. Kasi ang dami kong trabaho ngayon dito sa bahay. Thursday, general cleaning si Japit Boy. Kaya maaga ako nagluto kasi mamaya wala na akong time magluto. Okay na to. Yan. Chicken apretada. Si Sofia tulog pa. Okay. Ayos. Delicious. So, magluluto ako mamaya ng kanin. Yan. Beautiful sisi. Kay gandang umaga. Maliwalas. May araw. It's Thursday. Relax. Always relax. Buhay ni Japit Boy rito. Always relax. Oh. Bashers, pasok. Ganda. Oh, fresh yung medyo yung simoy ng hangin. Yung araw hindi pa masakit. Alas 8 pa lang ng umaga. Tapos na ako magluto. So, relax na. Hinihintay ko lang si Sofia na gumising. Pagising, breakfast niya. Then, general cleaning. Afritada. Chicken afritada. Afritada ang ulam namin ngayon.
Guys, I did not have breakfast because I woke up very late.
Okay.
So,
Take note.
this is my first meal.
Yeah. The first
Because
meal.
I woke up very late. I woke up around 10 o'clock.
So, I cleaned by myself. I did not wake her up. So, I said let her sleep. Because I think she really read her book really late.
Yeah.
Until what time did you read your book?
11:30.
11:30, so she slept really late.
Because I couldn't sleep. I was struggling to sleep, so I took out my book. So I went to bed at 10.
Yeah.
And then I was struggling to sleep. It was maybe around 10:30, so I decided to read my book.
Yeah. Okay, get your sauce, something kay. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry if there's any noises in the background. It's just because my cousin's baby is here and they're outside. So well, yeah, they're just visiting. So, but we're having lunch already.
So I'm gonna eat as well. Yeah. Yeah.
It's not dry and it's not. It's like perfect.
Perfect. Yeah. So let's eat. Dalawa lang kami rito ngayon. Nasisimamin ka na sa labas. Then let's eat. Okay. Bon appetit.
Do you think all Filipinos eat with their hands? Or is it just like a cultural thing?
Sarap.
It's so good, but
Very good, yeah?
I'm so tired. This thing.
Wow.
I feel like when you have sauce with your rice, it's harder to grip the rice.
You do like this. You don't grip it, you scoop it with your hands. Scoop.
Like this?
No, scoop. Yeah. Like picking. And then?
This is really good, guys. Sisi.
Eating time. Sarapin kayo, no? Very nice.
To be honest, I don't know where I learned to eat with my hands.
Just enjoy. You're at home.
I'm all done, guys. Just the rice left in my hands.
Mm,
More
wow.
rice.
Simot na. Ayos?
Yeah.
Hmm? Mm-hmm. Yan.
Oh, someone's calling me.
It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Maliwanag pa rin. Pero lumubog na yung araw. Pero banda alas 3 ng hapon, biglang umulan. Kaya kung nakikita nyo, medyo cloudy yung panahon. So, ako lang mag-isa rito ngayon sa bahay. Kasi lahat sila pumunta sa auntie ni Hana. Bumisita doon. At nagboluntaryo akong magpaiwan para magbantay sa kanya. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng isama doon. Siguro may malaking aso sila doon. So, para hindi siya mabore, inopen ko yung pinto. Pero yung aming gate ay hindi pa tapos talaga. So, yan. Kasi sa ilalim pwede siyang lumusot. Kaya nilagyan ko ng tabla. So hindi pa ito tapos eh. Maglalagay pa rin sila ng isang bar pa rito sa baba para hindi siya makakalusot. At, hindi pa talaga ito tapos. Talagang hindi pa nila na connect ito sa automatic na gate. Dapat ito automatic gate yan eh. Kaya pag nasa loob ako, binubuksan ko lang yung pinto para pwede siyang lumabas, pwede siyang magdumi. At yun nga lang, nilagyan ko ng kahoy para hindi siya pwedeng sumuot sa ilalim. Para safe sa kanya. Okay. Umalis si Hana kanina mga bandang alas 5 na ng hapon. So, magto 2 hours na sila doon. Kaya lang pag mga ganito, mag-isa ka lang dito sa ganitong bahay. Medyo creepy. Tingnan yung village, di ba? Walang kaingay-ingay. Aso lang yung marinig mo na tumatahol. Ganito talaga rito. Kahit yung kapitbahay, oh. Usually, pag may araw talaga, lahat sila yan. Itong kapitbahay namin. Nasa pergola na din sila. Nila. Nagbabarbecue, umiinom ng beer. Dito din, sa amin. Ganun din. Pero, ngayon kasi kanina nga umulan, sumama yung panahon. Umangin. Kaya, walang may nagstay sa labas. Walang may nagstay sa garden. Nasa loob ng bahay halos. Kami naman dito. Kami lang dalawa ni Sisi. Oh. Sisi? Sisi? Nagbibingi-bingihan ka ngayon ah. Ha? Sisi? Yan lang siya. At least hindi siya makakalabas. Dito lang siya sa gate. So kung man, buksan ko lang yung pinto. Kung gusto niyo magdumi, gusto niyo umihi, Lalabas lang siya, yung sarili niya. Yan. Diba? Sobrang tahimik ng village. Ay, andyan na sila. Speaking of the thing, andyan na sila. Bumalik sila kaagad.
Sisi, yeah. Babičko. Ahoj. Mamy przekopanie.
So what's the news, darling? So what did you do there? Eat? Ooh. What's the food there, Pinkay?
Some, I don't know to say it.
Huh?
Some
A lot?
pretzel sticks.
Really?
Bobby, she's mean to me.
What's that? Wow, birthday.
Foam.
Yeah. Wow.
Can I have a straw?
Nemam stru.
So
I have a straw.
you just bought this, darling. How much did you buy this?
600.
Wow, 600.
Yeah.
Now the orange.
600 koron, yeah?
600 koron. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes,
So that's for foam, milk foam.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Can I use this if I'll make some coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee like foam coffee. How do you call that then? Foam coffee.
Frother.
Huh?
Frother.
Okay. Yeah. Nice? Is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm. It's
Really?
frothed up. See?
Oh.
100.
Wow, Sophia has a lot of money.
Well, you haven't seen the cash though.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Coins.
But these are
For?
This is
What's that for bus?
No, because I'm buying snacks.
You're buying snacks and you're using the coins. This 2 koron. This is 2 koron.
Yeah. Right now this
wow.
is 100.
That's 100 koron.
Yeah.
Oh, that's big money.
Yeah.
That's lunch already.
Put it here now.
Uh-huh. So she's saving. Sophia is learning how to save money. We are teaching Sophia how to save money.
Sisi! Sisi! Pod sem, Sisi. Pod sem. Sisi, pod
But
sem.
why suddenly you count your money?
Because I'm counting how much I have all in all.
Hmm? Sophia's money from me every month. She receives money from me every month. From mommy every month. From Bobby Lidos every month. And once in a while, her tita also giving her money.
20.
Yeah. Sisi!
Sisi, przestań. Sisi!
Lak! Tapang ah! Tapang liit ng aso. Kala mong laki ah. Naku. So what you gonna do with your money, Pinkay?
Save it.
But are you going to put up some business?
Not sure. I mean, I'm not a businesswoman. I wanna be just a normal. But I don't know what kind of business should I put up.
Huh?
What kind of business should I put up?
Because since you know how to bake some cookies, then you can make cookies and sell it to your classmates.
Yeah, my classmates would buy them.
Why not? When I was in high school, most of my classmates were baking some yema. Okay? This candy made out of from milk. Okay, and they sold it at school, and yeah, we were buying it. So maybe you can start your own business from cookies, making cookies. So you have your capital now. Make cookies and sell in school, and cookies, cookies kayo dyan, like that.
I don't think that will work out because no.
If they're able to buy cookies 1 pound outside, like in the bakery, in the coffee shop, just sell it like 75 pence. So it's cheaper. Yours is cheaper.
No, but mine's gonna be bigger.
Yeah. So you can start your business.
Maybe I should just buy a franchise.
Yeah. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she's playing with the, what do you call that, spiky ball. Sissy. Oh, Si Hana, ayun, naglalakad. Yun yung bus niya. Hindi siya nagkutsi ngayon kasi may imi-meet up siya na kanyang friend galing sa Prague. Taga dito din yan sa Opava. Kaya lang doon sila nakatira sa Prague. So nagbisita ngayon dito sa Opava. So mamaya pagtapos ng kanyang work ay imi-meet up niya sa town center. Kaya sabi niya ay magbabas na lang daw siya para baka mamaya magwa-wine silang dalawa. Dating flight attendant yon sa Emirates, nag-retire na kasi nag-asawa, may dalawa ng anak. Ngayon magkikita sila mamaya. Hangin, makulimlim na naman. Mga almost 2 weeks na rin na makulimlim ang panahon. Minsan umaaraw, minsan talaga makulimlim at umuulan sa gabi, sa hapon. Pero ganito ang sitwasyon ngayon. Sana wag umulan. Ayan. Tingnan natin doon banda sa Opava. Yan yung Opava Town Center. Lapit, diba? Naka-zoom in ako eh. Gusto niyo zoom in pa natin para makita niyo pa. Yun o. Ayan. Diba? Mukhang malapit ang Opava Town Center pag i-zoom in mo. Pero ganito yan kadistansya sa original. Yan. Sobrang layo. Ayan. Relax ngayong araw na to. Friday. Tapos na ako magluto kahapon. Tapos tayo na akong maglinis kahapon. So talagang walang gagawin ngayong araw na to. Hopefully na sisikat ang araw para mamaya bandang hapon. Baka magyaya yung pamilya na mag-standby doon sa pergola. Magre-relax. So ganun ang buhay ko dito. Hindi ganong busy. Hindi katulad nung sa Manchester kami. Parang naghahabulan kami ni Hana ng aming schedule. At least dito, bukod sa nakakatulong ako sa gawaing bahay, marami pang mga bagay na nagagawa ko na talaga nakakatulong sa kanila. See you next time.